Okay, this is the second lesson on cover design. I want to give you a real example of how to address cover design issues. So we're back here to Shutterstock. I'm going to give you a prime example of something that's going on right now. I have this book I'm publishing, recently started publishing in the dating for men, dating for women niches. So I have this book that just came out not too long ago. It's this one here. How to Text a Girl, The Art of Text Seduction, title, subtitle. Just want to reinforce what we've learned so far. There we go. These are the two most popular terms, keywords that people are typing in. How to text a girl, how to text women. So published the book on a heavily trafficked keywords, and just made the subtitle to coincide with the title. So I placed an ad on Amazon, and we'll go over the ads throughout the course. And the ad has not been able to go off because Amazon has suspended. I am guessing from experience, I'm guessing that this cover is just too provocative, or they just don't like this and they're refusing to run an ad. So I go back to Shutterstock, and I've collected some of these for some of my other designs, but I think I'm going to go with something different. So I typed in male model, and I'm going to do this live with you. I'm just searching for a different cover here to just replace that cover, have a new cover done and replace it so I could run ads for it. Something more conservative. So this is the process here. You're just looking at a picture of something that resonates with you. This is an artistic thing. This is not a black and white thing. This is just, you're going to have to just test things for yourself, what you like. I thought that would work. Obviously, I'm having issues with that cover, so I'm going to go for something more conservative. I'm looking for maybe like a sleek guy, something that would resonate with guys thinking that they're cool, or a cool image that they can see themselves learning how to text women, or what. Let's just see here. I'm not going to look for anything showing skin or anything like that. It's going to be something conservative. Maybe something like this here. How to text a girl. This guy looks sleek. Looks like he could get a lot of women. Just giving you my thought process. So let me just take a look at this one here. All right, I'll consider that one. Let me just get another image. Male model. Let me make sure that refreshed. And I'm just looking for an image that resonates with me. There's no right or wrong here. You will know if the market tells you it's right, and you will know if the market tells you you're wrong, right? Maybe something like this. Let's go to another one. And sometimes I spend an hour just looking at images and collecting images that I like. And it's very gratifying when you do hit on a right image and people are resonating with it, that it was you who made that happen. I like something like this over here. How to text a girl. This looks like a sleek guy. Looks like a cool, confident man. And that's what we're trying to portray. If somebody buys their book, they're saying, oh wow, this guy does get women. He must know what he's talking about. That sort of thing, right? A charming man. As opposed to, let's say, something like this, right? Nobody would probably buy the book if you had this guy in the cover, right? This is a cheesy looking guy, and you know. Anyway, I wanted to show you an example of the process. So I will select, let's say I select this image, I copy and paste this link up here, and I go to Fiverr, I send it to my guys over there. I'm gonna say, hey, I just want to change the cover. I'm probably gonna leave the letters the same. I do like this cover very much. I designed it, but I'm going to send a picture to them, and I said, we need to replace this and redo this cover for something maybe like this. All right, I hope that helps you. I hope you see that there's nothing too complicated about this. I will have links for you for other resources if you want to spend $100 on a cover for a cover designer. Some people will say that you need to do that, and obviously if you're paying $10-15 for a cover and they're not, the Fiverr gigs or the people who are doing those covers are not producing a cover that you like, obviously you're going to have to find a designer that you like the way they work. In my case, I've been working with these guys for a couple of years, so I've never had a need to spend $90 on a cover, and I will provide that resource to you as well. But you should always test new people on Fiverr. You should always experiment, because that's how you find good people. Anyway, let's move on to the next lesson. I hope this helps you in troubleshooting a cover design, or if you come up with a cover that's not selling well, you're going to have to change it. These are decisions. These are, for another $15 invested into the book, on 1 or 2 sales, you make that money back. So I hope that helps, and I'll see you on the next module.